How to create a Miyawaki forest. Creating a Miyawaki forest is a transformative way to restore biodiversity and improve the environment. Named after the Japanese botanist Akira Miyawaki, this method involves growing dense, fast-growing forests using native plants. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your own Miyawaki forest in just 600 words. 1. Understand the Miyawaki method. The Miyawaki method focuses on planting a variety of native species close together to simulate a natural forest. This leads to rapid growth, self-sustainability, and a rich ecosystem. Unlike traditional afforestation methods, it emphasizes biodiversity and requires minimal maintenance after the initial years. 2. Select the right location. Choose a plot of land that can accommodate your forest. Ideally, the area should have good sunlight and access to water. Assess the soil quality, drainage, and existing vegetation. Ensure the site is not prone to flooding or erosion, as these conditions can hinder plant growth. 3. Analyze the soil. Conduct a soil test to determine its type, pH level, and fertility. This will help you identify the amendments needed to support healthy plant growth. Common soil enhancements include adding organic compost, cow dung, or cocopeat to improve water retention and fertility. 4. Identify native species. Select a diverse range of native species. Include plants from 4 categories. 1. Primary species. Fast-growing trees that form the forest canopy. 2. Secondary species. Medium-height trees that provide additional cover. 3. Shrubs. Smaller plants that fill the understory. 4. Ground cover. Plants that grow close to the ground, protecting the soil and retaining moisture. 4. Research local flora and choose species that thrive in your region's climate and soil conditions. 5. Prepare the land. Clear the area of weeds, grass, and debris. Loosen the soil to a depth of about 1 meter to promote root penetration. Mix the soil with organic matter and water it thoroughly before planting. This ensures a nutrient-rich environment for young saplings. 6. Create a planting plan. Plan the layout of your forest. Plant trees and shrubs close together, leaving about 3-4 plants per square meter. This density encourages competition among plants, leading to faster growth. Ensure a mix of species in each section to mimic a natural ecosystem. 7. Plant the saplings. Begin planting the saplings as per your layout. Dig small pits, place the saplings inside, and cover the roots with soil. Water them immediately to minimize transplant shock. Use mulch around the base to retain moisture and prevent weed growth. 8. Water and maintain. For the first 2 years, regular watering and maintenance are crucial. Water the plants daily for the first few weeks, gradually reducing frequency as they establish roots. Remove weeds, replace any dead plants, and monitor for pests or diseases. 9. Monitor growth. As the forest grows, track its progress. A Miyawaki forest typically grows 10 times faster than conventional methods and becomes self-sustaining within 3 years. The dense planting reduces the need for external inputs as the ecosystem stabilizes. 10. Benefits of a Miyawaki forest. 1. Biodiversity. Promotes a rich variety of flora and fauna. 2. Carbon sequestration. Absorbs carbon dioxide, combating climate change. 3. Air and water quality. Improves air quality and replenishes groundwater. 4. Cooling effect. Lowers temperatures and reduces the urban heat island effect. 5. Community impact. Provides aesthetic, educational, and recreational benefits. Final thoughts. Creating a Miyawaki forest is an impactful way to contribute to the planet's well-being. With careful planning and consistent effort in the initial years, you can establish a thriving forest that nurtures biodiversity and enriches the environment for generations to come. Take the first step today and witness the transformative power of nature.